We remember in the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes on a shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as phosphorus. That is the substance we are organizing. The 15th particle of the stone appears as a light bearer, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different points of view offered by the wheel of the 12. Today we share the point of view of order. The Throne of Virgo opens the 6th position and directs the gaze toward enzymatic phosphorylation. From this seat, phosphorus reveals itself as a molecular regulator of extreme precision, as the element whose addition or removal of phosphate groups activates or deactivates proteins with millimeter accuracy. What self-ignited, mineralized, transmitted energy, protected genetic memory, and shone in phosphorescence, now finds technical refinement in perfect enzymatic control. Phosphorylation adds phosphate groups to specific amino acids, changing protein conformation. Each kinase enzyme phosphorylates substrates with absolute specificity. Each phosphatase removes phosphates with precision, regulating entire metabolic cascades. Phosphorus inhabits cellular signaling systems responding to stimuli via phosphorylation, control networks regulating metabolism through phosphate switches, mechanisms sustaining homeostasis through precise addition and removal of phosphate groups. When observed from the Throne of Virgo, the light bearer finds regulatory precision, functional purity, and capacity for service through perfect phosphate order. Self-ignition becomes a tool of metabolic precision. One's own light organizes as exact functional order. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of phosphate precision. A candle is lit in front of you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner light bearer and accompanies the fine adjustment of the particle. By holding your gaze, order is established and the 6th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Phosphorus becomes refined. The wheel continues its conscious turning. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally. I am regulating processes with precise phosphorus. Allow the mind to remain precise and functional. Emotion, candle cleansing. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with deregulation, uncontrolled phosphorylation, lack of enzymatic precision, chaos in cellular signaling. Emotion is brought into order through precision. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass in your hands and say, I am purified phosphorus. Repeat 3 times with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating enzymatic phosphorylation into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.